In late 2019, Comet 3I Atlas appeared, massive and mysterious. Then, the official story dropped. Atlas was dead. It had disintegrated, a beautiful, tragic end to an interstellar visitor. We believe that is the lie. At Cryptos Code we analyzed the proprietary data. The evidence suggests Atlas did not disintegrate. It suggests it executed a controlled separation. The initial core was not stone and ice, it was a massive, dark, metallic alien spacecraft that merely cracked open. What NASA called debris and dust was, in fact, something far more sinister. It was a rapid, aggressive deployment. The dust cloud was actually a massive swarm of autonomous drone-like probes. The trajectory analysis confirmed it. Atlas exhibited clear evidence of non-gravitational acceleration. A natural comet wouldn't move like that. This was a controlled separation, executed with precision. It was an impossible maneuver, proving intelligent guidance. The Atlas ship wasn't destroyed. It achieved orbit near Earth and deployed its payload. The question we must ask is terrifyingly simple. Or is it watching? These aggressive drone probes are not meant for gardening, they are here for a reconnaissance mission. Continuing previous dialogue. The mission was clear. Fake the disintegration to drop the surveillance fleet, then activate a cloaking protocol. The Atlas craft is not a ruin, it is merely waiting. It is the ultimate alien probe, designed to hide in plain sight. We have been obsessed with UFOs in the atmosphere, but the true threat came from interstellar space. This craft followed a code, a protocol for silent invasion. If it could fake its death once, it can deploy the next phase of its attack without warning. NASA lied about Atlas. They lied about the probes. The system is compromised. Don't look at the stars, look at the code. Subscribe to Cryptos Code now. We will continue to track the Atlas protocol and reveal the true purpose of the alien payload. Decode the deception.